Hi, first graders. It's me, Ms. Muller, and I'm so happy to see you today. We're going to do some review on the skills we've been working on this week. We've worked with the R sound and the OR sound, and we've read some wonderful books, Marvin's Trip to Mars and Sled Dogs. Today, you're going to have a chance to be able to read those stories again. But first, I want to practice reading some of those R words and OR words with you, just to get your brains all ready. So here we go. I'm going to share my tab with you. Excellent. So our goal right now, or our I can statement says, I can read words with the R and the OR sound and read high frequency words in sentences. Do you remember what AR says? Go ahead, that pirate gives you a clue. That's right. AR says R. What does, we went back too far. Let's go back a slide. What does OR say? There's a picture of a stork with a fork, just to give you a little reminder. Yes, OR says or. Now, are you ready to read? We're going to get our brains moving and put on our thinking caps. Here's our first word. We're going to blend it slowly at first and then more quickly. Star. Star. Or fork. Or horse. That E at the end is silent, and it's really just there as a marker so that we know that this is not only talking about one horse and not more than one, because usually when we have an S at the end of a word, it means we're talking about more than one. D-R-K. Dark. K-R-T. Cart. K-or. Corn. Now let's try it in some sentences. Are you ready to read? You can do it. I can see a star in the dark. Let's read it again a little faster. I can see a star in the dark. Good job. I ate corn with the fork. Let's do it a little faster. I ate corn with the fork. Will you ride in the cart or on the horse? A little faster. Will you ride in the cart or on the horse? Good job. Round of applause. Now let's review the high frequency words from this week. This word is, go ahead, shout it out. Now. Excellent. I will ride my bike now. Let's do it again a little bit more fluently. I will ride my bike now. This word is, shout it out, light. It is light in the morning. Let's do it again, a little faster this time. It is light in the morning. There. He can sit there. He can sit there. Should. Should I go to school? Should I go to school? Want. I want to go to school. I want to go to school. Put. She put it in the jar. She put it in the jar. What's this one? Good. The word is from. He is from Mars. He is from Mars. Pull. Can you pull the rope? Can you pull the rope? Were. You were not in the bed. You were not in the bed. Excellent job. You did such a good job, first graders. I'm so proud of you. So what you're going to do next is you have a chance to be able to reread the 2 stories that we read this week. And those 2 stories were, go ahead, what were they? That's right, Marvin's Trip to Mars and Sled Dog. After you've done that, and when you're reading those, I really want you to practice being really fluent while you read. And you may have noticed that when I was reading today, that I read once just to sound it out and make sure I knew what it said. But then I read each one a second time. And that time I was really working on my fluency. Fluency means that we're paying attention to our pace. So that's how fast we go when we read. We're also paying attention to our expression, really reading more like the way that we talk instead of one word at a time. Because when we talk, we actually put pauses and we group words together and we kind of have some phrasing to it. It makes our reading and our talking more interesting. So you're going to practice fluency. After that, you can take a look at the packet from this week and you can finish any of the activities that you haven't had a chance to do yet. Last but not least, there's a video for you to be able to watch today for you to practice some sight words that maybe you haven't seen in a while. It's a really fun video, and I bet you're going to want to dance, dance, dance. I sure have loved hanging out with you this week, first graders, and I hope that you have a wonderful rest of the week. See you later.